Meituan AI just launched another groundbreaking AI model, and this one could completely change the future of AI coding. It's called LongCat 2.0, a massive 1.6 trillion parameter open source model with an insane 1 million token context window. It can understand entire code bases, act like an AI software engineer, and here's the shocking part. It was trained entirely on Chinese-made AI chips, not NVIDIA GPUs. So, is this finally a real competitor to Claude and GPT 5.5? Let's find out. So, what exactly is LongCat 2.0, and why is everyone in the AI community talking about it? At its core, LongCat 2.0 is a 1.6 trillion parameter mixture of experts model, making it one of the largest open-source AI models ever released. But unlike traditional models, only around 48 billion parameters are active at a time, which makes it significantly more efficient while still delivering top-tier performance. The biggest headline? It supports an incredible 1 million token context window. That means instead of feeding an AI a few files at a time, you can give it an entire software project, massive documentation, long PDFs, database schemas, or even multiple repositories, and it can understand everything in a single conversation. LongCat 2.0 was built with developers in mind. It's designed for agentic coding, meaning it doesn't just generate code. It can analyze large code bases, plan features, fix bugs, refactor existing projects, write documentation, and even work across multiple files like a real software engineer. What's even more surprising is how it was trained. According to Meituan, LongCat 2.0 was trained using over 50,000 Chinese-made AI accelerators instead of NVIDIA GPUs, proving that cutting-edge AI can be built on domestic hardware at massive scale. Meituan also claims impressive benchmark results, with strong performance across coding, long context reasoning, and AI agent tasks. While independent testing is still ongoing, early developer reactions have been extremely positive, especially for software engineering workflows. Since it's open source, developers can inspect it, customize it, fine-tune it, and integrate it into tools like Claude Code, OpenRouter, VS Code agents, Cursor, and other AI coding environments. So the big question is, could LongCat 2.0 become the new king of open source AI coding? And that's it for today's video. If you want me to test LongCat 2.0 against Claude, GPT 5.5, Gemini, and other top AI models in real coding challenges, let me know by hitting the like button and dropping a comment below. If enough people want it, I'll make that comparison next. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next one.